Funny to say, your van lives outside. High humidity extremes, temperature extremes, you want something resistant. I use that SICO cabinet and furniture type of paint.
Okay.
So you want something that is washable, scrubbable if you have to. You want something that resists to humidity. You want something that resists to water stain. You don't want something that is too matte because your fingers are going to show all over the place. And this has all the quality. You can turn that into the color you want, and it has all the qualities that we just talked about.
And what about other parts of the build that I don't need good paint on?
Well, you always need good paint, but you know, the black in between your slats, for example, you're never going to touch that, so you don't need that kind of resistance, but there's a lot of paint that exists out there, the primers in there, and they're all available at RONA.
So you're saying that I could come back from a hike, get my walls all dirty, and I could wash it up with soap and water?
Yes, you can. You don't want to do that though, right?
It's gonna happen, 100%.
I know that.